Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. IQP. Transform your trading journey with IQP, the world's first decentralized inter-exchange copy trading platform. Here you can check it out the details about pre-sale, like token price 0.001 USD and exchange listing price 0.002 USD. You can also check it out the balance right here and estimated selling price at launch. You can also buy these tokens right here. Simply enter the amount right here like 0.05 BNB, so you will get these tokens. Simply connect your wallet right here and buy these tokens. Next we have fundraise. You can also check it out the details of 31.50% target raise. You must join their beta app, purchase a token and read their white paper. Fully integrated exchanges. You can also check it out the exchanges right here. Subscribe to claim airdrop subscription. Subscribe to our newsletter and stay updated. Enter your email address to subscribe. Here you can write your email address and then click on subscribe. Next we have some information that why we choose IQP. Blockchain verified strategies, trust and transparent, unaltered trading report, no more hidden losses or misleading data. Diversify like a pro, build a dynamic portfolio by following multiple top strategy providers simultaneous. Hedge fund level optimization. Our proprietary 15 plus matrix algorithms optimizes your investment to maximize profits and minimize risk. Seamless exchange integration. Connect effortlessly with any major crypto exchange via API, no limitations. Decentralized and immutable. Our platform is built on blockchain technology, ensuring data integrity and security. IQO token utility. All transactions are powered by our IQO token, adding value and liquidity to your investments. This is an amazing platform, transparent, balanced, and optimized. Next, we have the mission. At IQP, we are not a mission to bring transparency and trust back to crypto trading. We believe in empowering investors with verified information and cutting-edge tools previously reserved for hedge funds. Join the revolution. Buy IQ token. Be part of a platform that redefining crypto trading. Purchase our token and invest in your financial future. Assess the beta app experience firsthand how IQP can transform your trading strategy. Ready to trade smarter? Buy IQ token and join our beta app today. Here you can check it out the details right here. Next we have token lock detail. Here you can check it out the start time, stake amount, token withdraw, reward withdraw and furthermore. Next we have referral program. Earn 10% commission, 5% in BNB and 5% in IQO. You can also check your referral balance right here. You can also withdraw BNB. You just have to copy their referral code and share it with your friends, family and other social platforms. Next we have token distribution. Discover key detail about our native token IQ, including symbol, network and sale values, fueling and platform ecosystem. Join the private sale now. You can also check it out the details like symbol, network, total supply, private sale, pre-sale ICO token. And you must see their token distribution right here. Legal and regulation 10%, ICO liquidity 50%, marketing 10%, businesses development 10%, development team 10%, cash reserves 10%. Next we have their roadmap. Here you can see their roadmap, algo development, testing phase, beta version and furthermore. You must read their whole roadmap. This is an outstanding project. Empower your voice, join our DA. Beyond just trading strategies, become a part of our decentralized autonomous organization where your voice directly influences the future of our platform. It's not just about navigating the market, it's about shaping the ecosystem in which we trade. Here your node counts and your idea can steer the course of our collective journey. Next, we have the frequently asked question. You can also check the frequently asked question like why cryptocurrencies can I use to buy the private sale? You can use BNB to participate in the private sale. Like this, you can read further more frequently asked question like what is the ICO, what is the DAO, what is the platform payment method, and furthermore. You can also buy this app on App Store and Google Play. If you have any kind of question, you must get in touch here. Simply write your name, write your email, and write your message which you want to write. and then click on send message. This is a fabulous project. You must read their terms and condition, terms of service, privacy policy, risk disclaimer, and you can also see their documents right here. I'm showing you their documents. First, we have their IQP white paper, the world first DApp inter-exchange copy trading platform. Unlock your investment potential. Join the future of crypto trading. First, we have their introduction overview of IQP. IQP is a revolutionary decentralized crypto copy trading platform designed to empower investors to optimize their portfolios and minimize risk while maximizing profits. By leveraging cutting edge technology and a sophisticated optimization algorithm, IQP connect investors with a skilled strategy provider, enabling them to replicate trades seamlessly across multiple exchanges. You can also read their whole white paper. This is an outstanding project. Next, we have their presentation. Introduction to Innovative Copy Trading App, Harnessing Technology for Transparent and Efficient Trading. Purpose of the app, designed to enhance transparency and efficiency in trading by verifying strategy providers, reports, and optimizing investment strategies. Target user, ideal for investors who need reliable strategy insight and wish to diversify their portfolios effectively. Key features includes blockchain secured trading report, a portfolio of multiple strategy providers, advanced optimization algorithms, and seamless exchange integration via API. Next, we have the IQP White Paper Lite version, the world's first DApp inter-exchange copy trading platform. You can also check it out, all the details right here. This is an outstanding project. Next, we have their token sale term, securing your investment, introduction to token sale, an overview of the strategic token lockup and distribution plan for investor. Investment is security, ensuring the integrity of the investment with a structured release schedule, beneficial reward system, detailing the benefits and autonomy provided to investors through monthly reward. This is an outstanding project. You must subscribe their newsletter and invest on it. This is a fabulous project. And invest on it and earn a lot of profit. You can also register your account right here. I'm showing you that how you can register your account. You just have to write your email, then write your password. If you are a new user, so you have to create your account. Simply enter your username, enter your email, enter your password, then again write your password for confirmation, and then click on sign up. This is a fabulous project. I hope you liked the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I am not their financial advisor. I'm just telling you about the amazing project, so do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.